Zacks Trade is a powerful brokerage platform designed for those who seek international trading opportunities and low commissions. It provides a wide range of assets, including stocks, options, bonds, and ETFs, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. One of its standout features is its low-cost fee structure compared to competitors, which appeals to traders looking to maximize their profits. However, Zacks Trade does have a few drawbacks. The platform may seem overwhelming for beginners due to its complexity, and the lack of an easy-to-use mobile app can make trading on the go difficult. Additionally, there are no commission-free ETFs, and some services require a minimum balance. Despite these disadvantages, Zacks Trade shines in many areas. Its robust trading tools, in-depth research resources, and advanced platform customization options provide a solid foundation for those serious about trading. Customer support is also highly rated, and the platform allows access to over 90 global exchanges, making it ideal for international investors. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXBT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXBT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Zacks Trade's pricing structure is another point to consider. While it doesn't offer the lowest prices in the industry, it still beats many high-end brokerage services. Its tiered pricing model lets you trade with low commissions, particularly appealing to active traders who make multiple trades per day. For international investors, the availability of multiple currency accounts and access to global exchanges is a massive plus. If you're looking for a brokerage platform with advanced features and low costs, Zacks Trade is worth considering. But if you're new to the world of trading, you might find other platforms easier to navigate. However, if you're focused on making informed trades with the help of deep research and global markets, this platform could fit your needs perfectly. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more content on brokerage reviews and trading tips.